Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Small and medium-sized businesses now have access to $10 billion in funding through the National Commercial Bank's SME Boost Loan Facility launched this week. Now each entity can borrow up to $250 million to increase capital and production. In recent times, businesses have been focused on charting their recovery from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. And even as they do that, the Ukraine-Russia crisis has presented new challenges. In response, the National Commercial Bank NCB launched its SME Boost Loan Facility. Head of Retail Banking at NCB, Cherie Martin, says it's geared towards businesses in a number of sectors, including agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism.
With SME Boost, a business can access up to $250 million in loan funding to support working capital, investments in machinery, retooling and other equipment, facilities upgrades, business expansion, energy projects, and other purposes which may be crucial for your business to take that next step.
Businesses signing up this year will benefit from 12 months moratorium on principal payments, and the loan will offer an interest rate of 6.95%.
As the environment is changing, we are also seeing policy signals that suggest the interest rate environment is getting more increasingly competitive. And so we have recognized the need to bring some certainty to that for borrowers. And so under the SME Boost program, the interest rate that will apply to those facilities will be fixed once you access it in this calendar year, so up to December 31st, 2022.
Meanwhile, President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, John Mafood, says facilities like these are critical as SMEs seek more avenues to grow. He says his 450 members would like more tailored financing vehicles.
The common thread is that we need a simplified approach to borrowing money is what they're asking, without a lot of security, without a lot of going back for many years of financials, because this is how the country is going to grow, from having small companies get bigger.
Now let's head to foreign exchange trading today. The U.S. currency is selling for an average $154.86. $129.58 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $196.87 for the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $166.14. The JSE Index advanced by 658 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 42 points. Among today's winners were Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS 9.5% shares, Kingston Properties, Express Catering, Paramount Shredding Jamaica, and Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited. While on the losing side were JMMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, JMMB Group 7.5% shares, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares, Jetcon Corporation and Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.